let's see this problem. It's a basic problem. Actually, given this, I am applying Laplace for this. That is inverse Laplace, inverse of 5 by s minus 3 into e power minus 2s minus 2 into e power divided by s here, e power minus 7 by s divided by s. Laplace transform of 1 by s is nothing but a unit step function, that is inverse Laplace is nothing but Laplace of unit step function is 1 by s. Inverse Laplace of 1 by s is also unit step function, that is it's going to be u 5 into u of t minus, here we having e power minus 2 is nothing but the value is going to be that you have to subtract minus 2 from t. Why? Because indirectly here if you write e power minus st, there you will get minus 2. Indirectly in place of 2 you are going to get right s. If you take common t minus 2 you will get. That's why this is going to be 3 into u of t minus 3. Here minus 2 into u of t minus 7. This is a formula indirectly. Now if you write here, if you have to represent these values here. See, for suppose if you draw for unit step function for this is going to be indirectly at 5, it's going to be start. Before that it is going to be 0. At t, indirectly the value of this value is 5. At t greater than 0, it is going to be always 5. For suppose if you write for this, it going to be start at 3, some 3 value. After 3 it is going to be at 3 into 3, that is going to be 3 here, you will get it's going to be 3. Unit step before it is going to be 0, after 3 it is going to be 3, always. If you draw for this after 7 indirectly, after for suppose if it is at 7, after 7 it is going to be what? 2. See, combinedly this, indirectly we are subtracting means it is 3 to after 7 it is going to be 2. That is, we are eliminating the values here that are going to be here from 0 up to 3 it is going to be 5. Here 3 to 7 indirectly 7 is going to be what? 2 only. Up to 3 to it's going to be 7. It's going to be what? It's going to be what? Indirectly we are eliminating. From 3 to 7 it's going to be 2. After that it is going to be 0. Yet this value it is going to be 5. After 3 it is going to be 3. After up to there it's going to be 5. After that it is going to be 3. Based upon that, indirectly if you take the values indirectly 5 and 2, after 7 it is going to be 0. That is 3 values up to 3 to 7. 3 to 7 it's not going to be what? 0. That means 3 values, that is 5 to 0, that is 0 to 3, 0 to 3 it is going to be 5, 3 to 7 it is going to be 2, after 7 it is going to be 0. Third option is going to be your right answer. Coming to this problem, a given f of s equal to f of x Laplace transform a capital F of x, we want limit x tends to 0 f of x. From initial value theorem, limit x tends to 0 f of x equals to limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. X tends to 0 is going to be s tends to infinity s into f of x. If you write in place of f of s, that is from limit based upon limit s tends to infinity s divided by, if I take s common from there, s square plus 2s plus 2, ss is going to be cancelled. Limit s tends to infinity 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. If you write here s equal to infinity, 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. Simply the value is going to be 0. By initial value theorem, we have in this limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to limit s tends to infinity s into f of s. So basic problems, nothing is there. How it's going to be, you have to convert, you have to get. Okay, let's see other problems. Coming to this problem, right, given Laplace of y of x equal to y of s, based upon y of s only asked, indirectly asking y of s is what? You have to apply, we have to find the Laplace of this total function. See, I am applying Laplace for this, that is Laplace of, before to write I am writing this function indirectly, that is going to be y of x equal to x cube plus integral 0 to x sine of x minus t into y of t dt. We can say this is as a convolution of sine t and y of t. We will represent convolution always with star. Nothing but convolution of sine two functions, that is Laplace of for suppose f with g is always is going to be f of s into g of s. This is nothing but what we can write, this is a integral 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. But always you will represent into t, but is given in terms of x. Means indirectly in terms of t we are going to have, here it is going to be x. Now I am representing in terms of x only, that is Laplace of y of x equals to, here Laplace of x cube plus this total function, it is like indirectly you are going to get separately sine t Laplace transform, and that's we can write here directly, that is going to be Laplace of sine indirectly, here it is not t, or suppose x, that is sin x into Laplace of y of x. That's represent indirectly, this is going to be y of s, this is x to the, it is like t to the power of n, t to the power of n is going to be n factorial, n is nothing but here 3 factorial divided by s to the power of n plus 1, that is nothing but 4. Okay, don't forget basic formula, but with this one you are going to get a different value, that is Laplace transform of sin x always is going to be in terms of s, you are going to get 1 divided by s square plus 1 into, this is going to be y of s. I am checking y of s this side, or I am representing here y of s, I am checking common, that is going to be 1 minus 1 by s square plus 1 equals to nothing but 3 factorial is nothing but 6 divided by s to the power of 4. If I am taking y of s common here, that is s square plus 1, that is indirectly taking LCM plus 1 divided by, here it's going to be minus 1, that's we are cross multiply 1 into s square plus 1 minus 1 divided by s square plus 1 equal to 6 divided by s to the power of 4. I am taking 6 common, 6 this side, 1 by 6 into y of s, I am taking this total term this side, here plus 1 minus 1 cancel, that is 1 divided by s to the power of 4 into s square plus 1 divided by s square. S square by s square is going to be cancelled, 1 into, that is going to be 1 by s to the power of 4 plus 1 by s square, 1 by s to the power of 4, s to the power of 6. This is 1 by 6 into y of s. That is going to be, first option is going to be our right answer. Let's see Fourier series problems. Coming to this problem, here given function, this is Fourier series actually, and a given function, based upon it, function is defined from minus pi to pi. Minus pi to pi means the length of the function is going to be 2 pi. If Fourier series is defined for the length 2 pi, indirectly it's okay, which of the following is true, and a given Fourier series, and based upon that coefficients a0, an and bn is giving some relation, which of the following is true is asking. Here if we given a0 and an means and bn means, you have to find the coefficients here. If the Fourier is this one, Fourier coefficients are going to be what? Here Fourier coefficients here a0 equals to 1 by pi integral 0 to that is indirectly here what the function is defined from minus pi to pi, that's why minus pi to pi f of x dx. First I will find a naught, that is a naught equals to 1 by pi. From minus pi to pi, minus pi to 0 is 0, indirectly it's going to be 0. From 0 to pi it's going to be 0 to pi, it's going to be pi dx. That is going to be 1 by pi, already is there pi by pi into integral of 1 is going to be x from 0 to pi, that is going to be pi get cancelled, pi minus 0 is nothing but pi. This is a naught. Here where is a naught? Here a naught 0, a naught is pi by 2, here a naught is pi, and indirectly it's going to be right. We'll find an also, no problem. I'm finding here an is nothing but 1 by 5, once again minus pi to pi f of x into cos nx. That is I'm writing here an equals to 1 by pi into integral, here minus pi to 0 is going to be 0, that is nothing but 0 to pi only it is existed, pi into cos nx dx. That is pi by pi is going to be cancelled, indirectly 1 integral cos, integration of cos x is nothing but integration of sin x is minus cos x, integration of cos x is sin x, that is sin nx divided by n, always you have to divide with coefficient, that 0 to pi. If you substitute pi, sin pi is going to be 0, cos pi is going to be indirectly from 0 to pi, 0 minus 0 is going to be simply 0. Pi n pi is going to be 0 and minus sin 0 is going to be 0, that is an is going to be 0. That means a naught equal to pi, an equal to 0 for n greater than or equal to 1. If you want you can find bn also, no problem, but already you got this is going to be your answer. Which of the following is true? This is true one. Right? You can find bn also, bn is going to be what? 1 by pi integral minus pi to pi f of x into sin nx dx, that is 1 by pi integral, it's going to be 0 to pi only. Why? Because minus pi to 0 is going to be 0, 0 to pi is going to be pi into sin nx dx, pi is going to be cancelled, that is sin n pi nx integration minus cos nx divided by n from 0 to pi, first upper limit that is minus into cos n pi is going to be minus 1 to the power of n divided by n minus, if you substitute 0, cos 0 is going to be 1, but it is not going to be 0, it's going to have some value to the power of n, by cos n pi is going to be minus 1 to the power of n, depends upon n, that is if you are taking a b1 you have to take n equal to 1, based upon that you are going to get an answers. Okay, let's see other problem. Coming to this problem, this is the last problem of this paper. Indirectly this is a given function, and if he is saying this is periodic function, it is of length 2 pi, you see, that is Fourier series is existed for only length of 2 pi, that is saying indirectly giving the function is defined from minus pi to pi. See, actually if you write the Fourier series, that is f of x Fourier series is nothing but a naught by 2 plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity an cos nx plus sigma n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. But here it is f of x is nothing but here given x. If the interval is minus pi to plus pi, always you have to check given function or even function or odd function. If it is a even function, you are going to have a naught and an. If it is odd function, only bn is going to be existed. That is this is what f of x is this is a odd function. That's why odd function only bn is existed. That's why if you find bn, it's over. That means only sine series you are going to get, you won't get cos series. In the options here, third and fourth having cos series, that's why these are not going to be our options. Only 1 and 2 is going to be maybe correct answer. You have to choose indirectly 1 or 2, right? In between you are going to get an answer. That's I am finding here Bn. That is Bn is nothing but when this is going to be 2 by pi integral 0 to pi, that is minus pi to pi is going to be 2. Why? Because this is odd function, that's why you will get 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. That is going to be here f of x is sin and sin nx dx. Now if you simplify, that is 2 by pi. Here if you write here, this is uv method, that is integration by parts. Here this is first function, this is second function. Now that is x into integration of sin nx is minus cos nx divided by n minus x derivative 1. This total function integration is going to be x derivative is 1 minus cos nx by n integration is minus already minus is there, cos nx integration is sin nx divided by n square. You are going to get already n is there, one more n, you will get n square. From 0 to pi you have to substitute. Now that is 2 by pi, that is minus, if you substitute upper limit, that is pi into cos n pi divided by n, minus into minus plus sin n pi is going to be 0 minus, if you substitute 0, that is 0 into something is 0, sin 0 also 0, you are going to get here minus into minus plus, but it is 0, no problem, right? That is going to be here pi get cancel, only one term, that is minus indirectly 2 into minus 2 into cos n pi is minus 1 to the power of n divided by n. We can write this as a 2 into minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 divided by n. This is going to be your Bn. If you write here, that indirectly a0, here a0 and an both are going to be zeros. From there the function is going to be f of x is nothing but x equals to, that is sigma n equal to 1 to infinity, Bn is nothing but indirectly 2 is a constant, minus 1 to the power of n plus 1 divided by n into sin nx. If you write in place of n from 1 to infinity, that is 2 is common. If you write 1, minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 is nothing but positive, 1 by 1 into sin x. Next, if you write after that 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3, that is for even values you will get negative, that is minus sin 2x divided by 2 plus sin 3x divided by 3 minus sin 4x divided by 4, like that you are going to get. That is going to be 2 into sin x positive, tarata negative, minus 1 by 2 sin 2x plus 1 by 3, all are going to be your positives, but here plus minus is going to be, that's you are going to be, that is going to be your answer. This is total ESET 2019 question paper. Go through with the solution. If you are having any doubts, you can check in description, already given some links, you can put an email or anything you can call. And also here you remember one thing, from each and every topic you are going to get some questions by using already you know each and every topic in ESET exam. ఈ ESET ఎగ్జామ్లో ఉన్న ఏవైతే టాపిక్స్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ టాపిక్స్లో నుంచి ఎక్కడ ఈ పేపర్లో ఏ బిట్స్ వచ్చినాయి, ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బిట్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఫ్రమ్ పార్షియల్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ యూ గాట్ 4 questions, ఫ్రమ్ పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ యూ గాట్ 1 question, ఫ్రమ్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ you are getting 4 questions, 6 questions, from 4-year series you got 2 questions. Like that you prepare one blueprint that is going to be useful for your preparation of ESET. It's going to be mathematics, right? From mathematics, if you do, you can do each and every problem in ESET mathematics if you spend the time. Try to spend the time. If you are spending time compulsory, you will get in a problem. Okay, right.